Hello everyone. We were doing chapter 22 Natural Resources and Pollution. Humans have added harmful substances to air, water, and land, making the environment dirty by adding harmful substances to it is called pollution. Look at the picture. See how humans cause water pollution. So, today let us understand water pollution, causes of water pollution, and the solution. Water pollution. Water is one of them the most valuable resources provided to us by nature. We use water for so many purposes, and while doing so, we also make water very dirty. Making the water dirty by addition of harmful substances to it is called water pollution. Let us try to learn more about water pollution and how we can reduce it. Many human and natural activities result in water pollution. Dumping garbage into water bodies is a common cause. Washing clothes, utensils, and bathing animals add dirt and detergent to the water, cause pollution. Untreated waste from factories and sewage from residential areas add harmful substances and waste into the water bodies. Water that contain pesticides and fertilizers pollute the water of nearby water bodies. Now, effects of water pollution. Drinking polluted water can cause diseases like typhoid, cholera, and diarrhea. Addition of harmful substances in water bodies affected the life cycle of many aquatic organisms and even kill the plants and animals living in water. Water pollution has serious effects on us and our environment. So, what can we do to reduce it? One very easy way is to educate people to stop dumping garbage, washing clothes, and bathing animals in water bodies like lakes and rivers. Waste from industries and residential areas should be treated and made free from harmful substances before being discharged into the water bodies. Use of harmful pesticides and insecticides in agricultural field must be discouraged. We too should do our duty and avoid wastage of clean water. Do you know? Out of all the water present on the earth, 97% is found in the oceans and is salty. From the 2% of the remaining, 2% is frozen as ice. It leaves just 1% fresh water for use by humans. So, we should avoid wastage of clean water.